Hello together, with you as usual extruder, and today I explain you how to repair indicator of fuel. As you can see, we have the level of the fuel. It's empty, but in really I have half of my tank. You have to disassemble the fuel level sensor located here. You should disassemble back cover, and here you could see this connector should be disassembled. Okay, like this. So then we could pull it out. Yeah, finally. Yeah, and oh, yeah, finally, and we should repair this one. As you can see, yeah, it's already broken. Yeah, it should be longer. All of them. You see here, it's already broken. Unfortunately, it's not enough space. It's not enough length of this multi-finger slider to make it in correct way. So I just bend it up like this and assemble it back. Okay, do it like this here. Okay. So that's all. Yeah, it works. So we check, is it really floating? So we put in this can some gasoline, and look at this. Yeah, it should float, but unfortunately not. So I have no idea why it happens. Yeah, maybe gasoline already inside of the floating ball. So we have bought the new one in Ukraine. Its price $3. Yeah, it's completely different comparing to Silverblade, so it's not possible to buy exactly the same. But this floating ball looks the same, so we will disassemble it and check with new one. So as you can see, the old one have completely the same density as gasoline. Yeah, it's just in the surface. As a new one, yeah, floating much easier. So it's very easy to see it. Let's check the weight. So the new one, 6.3 grams, and old one, 18. So more than 2 times, yeah, higher. With new floating ball. Yeah, perfect. Just perfect, everything works, of course. Okay. To avoid some rattling, yeah, glue with some soft material. So let's check. goes on the side. Let me do it like this. Yeah. Now you see the blinking. Yeah, stop the blinking, and we have some gasoline inside on the tank. So now it works. So you see what kind of defect could happen with gasoline level and how it was solved. See you next time. Bye.